Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I got a squishy package from Bella for I don't know how to pronounce it. I got my little Sizzy, and let's get opening let's open this package. Now I don't know in such big package. I barely ordered a lot of squishies. I ordered like about I don't know, but they gave me a bone. So I can make squishies. I'll put that in my box. So first thing I ordered. These squishies are all homemade except this donut one. So first thing, I have this bread squishy. It's not that slow rising. It said it was very slow rising, and I have to tape it packaging because they didn't do well on it. And I believe that it subscribed to my channel. I don't know, but it said no refunds, and I don't know why that. I put